Do you want to upload a video on your Facebook and you want to tag your friends into the post or video? Here's how to do it. And the process will be similar for Android and iPhone users. Go to your Facebook app and make sure to sign into your Facebook account. Now tap here and select photo and video. And now from your gallery, select the video that you want to upload to your Facebook. And now it's time to tag someone to this video, right? To do that, you have to tap on this tag people icon. And now from your Facebook friend list, you can select one or multiple accounts to tag into the video. Just select those accounts. Or to find out a specific account, you can use this search box. Once you select it, tap on done. Done. And here we can see I've successfully tagged my Facebook friends into this video. Now all you have to do is just post this post or video. This is how we can tag someone on Facebook video. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.